Hello my viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial today we are going to be looking at this topic on my board and the questions we are going to solve this. So we have negative index. What do we mean by negative index? Or let's say, what do we mean by index? Whenever you heard of index, it simply means power. So we call it power. It can be exponent, and it's also be index. Now, what do we mean by negative? When we have negative, that is subtraction, negative. When we have negative power, when we have negative power, like for example, 2 raised to power minus 2. You can see that the power there is 2 and is having minus. Therefore, we call it what? We call that minus 2 negative what? Negative power or negative index. Now we have this question under the topic. The question says we should simplify 1 over 4 into bracket minus 2 plus 1 over 2 into bracket raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over 3 raised to power minus 2 again. Or let me repeat it again. 1 over 4 to power minus 2, that is negative power minus 2, and 1 over 2 to power negative 2 plus 1 over 3 to power of negative 2. So now we need to solve this. So now how are we going to solve this? Are you getting it now? So do not be confused, do not be discouraged with the way we are having fraction at the same time we are having the negative power. So how are we going to do? So it's very simple. Now let's see. From here we should recall that from the law of indices, when you have a over b raised to power minus c. Are you getting now? So if you want to neutralize the minus, you don't want to see, you want to eliminate the minus there. So it's very simple. It will just be you take the reciprocal of what? Of this inside the bracket. So therefore the numerator and the denominator will change. Will be changed. They change their position, and the minus will be neutralized, be vanished. Do you understand now? So you can see that what really happened here, the swap. Do you understand now? You can see that b go back to to position of a, and a come back to the position of of b, as far as minus is not there again. So now after that we can now share the power. Are you getting now? So that will be b over c, as you have b to power c divided by a to power c. Now from there, so now this idea, this law, this fact is what we are going to be using to solve the problem you are given. So now let's go back to that. So we have 1 over 4. What we are going to do here is that, so far we want to change the minus to just purely 2. What we are going to do, we can see that the numerator, the base, that is 1 over 4, has to be changed. So therefore we are going to be having 4. This will be 4 over 1 to power 2. Are you following? So we go to the second one also. We are going to have plus 2 divided by 1. Are you getting it? 2 divided by 1, then raised to power 2, then plus the third term. So that also is going to be 3 over 1, then raised to power 2. Can you see? So 4 raised to power 2, 4 divided by 1 raised to power 2 is going to be 2, plus, that is, we have 4 raised to power 2. 4 divided by 1 is going to be 4, then to power 2. Then 2 divided by 1 is going to be 2, then to power 2. Are you getting it now? Plus 3 divided by 1 is going to be 3 to power 2. We are going to have in 3 to power 2. So now from there, you can have what? You can have this to be 4 square is going to be, okay, 4 square is going to be 16. 2 square is going to be 4. 3 square is going to be 9. So now when you add all these together, 16 plus 4 we have 20. 20 plus 9 is going to be 29. Therefore, that is the solution to that. Today's, so we just simplified all this. Are you getting it now? We simplified this. Okay? We simplified this to be what? To be 29. Are you getting it now? So it's very simple. Whenever you are having negative index, if you want to neutralize the minus, because it's confusing, so now what we are just do is just interchange the fraction. Even if it is over, let's say it is 2 minus 2. Are you getting now? This can actually be, you just write this one as, the base as fraction, that is what? 2 over 1, okay, raised to power what? Minus 2, and this is going to be 1 over 2 raised to power what? Raised to power 2, because 1 is this. So therefore, if you want to neutralize the minus, what I'm just trying to say is that you want to neutralize the minus, what you are going to have is that you interchange what? You interchange the fraction, that is the fraction that happen to be the base. Do you understand now? So now from there, that is all I have for you today concerning this negative index. So now please try to understand what I have actually put down. If you have any question to pertaining to this, so do not hesitate to hit on the comment box and ask your question, and do not forget to share this to your learning colleagues. Share and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.